Whoa, hey there, you have caught me out here in the Mississippi alluvial plain ecoregion, also known as the Mississippi Delta. I'm looking at 3 different native plants with some really unique winter interests. The first is Equisetum hyemale, or horsetail rush. This is a very old plant with a native distribution in multiple parts of the world. I think it's really interesting. It's beautiful. It does have a place in the garden, but it is an aggressive spreader, as you can see. So if it can be contained, this plant has a lot of ornamental value as well as wildlife value. Down in the Delta, I see it all the time. Beautiful plant, Equisetum hyemale, or horsetail rush. Next, we're going to take a look at this Cornus Drummondii, or roughleaf dogwood. This is a native shrub or small tree that grows in thickets. It's got extreme value to birds. I find it all up and down the Mississippi River in the alluvial plain. It's got these beautiful red twigs. Kind of this newer growth exhibits this red bark or twigs that really stands out in the wintertime. There it is, Cornus Drummondii, or roughleaf dogwood. And last, but certainly not least, is Arundinaria gigantea, or river cane. And this is a particularly large patch. Let's take a closer look. Now, this Arundinaria gigantea, or river cane, is commonly found throughout the South. This river cane used to make up an ecosystem we've lost and forgotten called cane brakes. And these cane brakes were so large that people could travel through them for days. I mean, they've been reduced to these small pockets today. It's a plant we don't often think of or use for the landscape. It's got tremendous wildlife value, and I think it's a beautiful plant. I think it'd be a cool, interesting plant for the landscape that we should consider growing and incorporating into garden spaces or public spaces. And it's got a lot of cultural and historical value. I mean, this stuff is super cool. I have all 3 of them right here. I'm looking at them in the wild. I think they have a lot of value for garden spaces. They certainly have a lot of value for wildlife. And obviously they want to be here because they're growing next to these farm fields and in between creeks, and kind of like patchwork of native plants between human environments. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a good one.